Hello viewers, a lot of users have actually missed the chance of buying iPad 10th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So a lot of users are asking me whether they should go for iPad 9th generation. Currently the price of iPad 9th generation is 18,500 rupees, and after using PhonePe you can get this device at 17,500 rupees. iPad 9th generation is an old device, but in 2022 still it has some potential. You can definitely get the best out of it, as the price of this product is under 20,000 rupees. Under 20,000 you cannot get a Android tablet as good as iPad 9th generation. The display quality, the battery life, and also the processor of iPad 9th generation are excellent. But everything is not perfect about this tablet. You must know that this tablet will not get more updates in the future. So if you want to buy this tablet, you should be aware of this fact. However, update is not a big factor to some users. They don't actually bother about updates. So if you are that kind of users who actually don't bother about updates and they want to use their tablet for next 3 to 4 years, in that case iPad 9th generation might be a good deal for them. Currently iPad 9th generation is running on iPadOS 18.0.1 and it is one of the best updates. Plus you will get pen support along with these tablets, but you have to buy the pen separately. That will cost around 1.5k for third-party pencil, and if you want to buy the original pencil, in that case you have to pay around 7,000 rupees. However, the third-party pencil also works very well. I have bought Kingone pencil. If you want to buy this pencil, links are in the description below. So in the conclusion, who should buy iPad 9th generation? If you want a very good display, good processor, good battery life, and Apple product, and you don't bother about updates, in that case iPad 9th generation will be an ideal pick for you. Plus you are getting this tablet well under 18,000 rupees using UPI.